Red tide is a marine phenomenon that is caused by harmful algal blooms, and this harmful algal bloom is caused by microscopic aquatic algae called dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are any of numerous one-celled aquatic organisms bearing two dissimilar flagella and having characteristics of both plants and animals. Most of them live in marine waters, though some live in fresh water. A tide can cause great risk to the health and economic livelihood of people in coastal areas. High concentration of dinoflagellate in the bodies of water can cause harmful algal blooms, also known as HAB. This bloom, like many HABs, is caused by microscopic algae that produce toxins that can kill fish, manatees, turtles, and make shellfish dangerous to eat. Consumption of shellfish, mussel, or clams is one of the most common ways for humans to be affected by a red tide. Shellfish, mussels, or clams are known for their filter feeding habits. When they filter and eat these harmful microscopic algae, they will not die. Instead, they will let these harmful microscopic algae store into their body. And when people try to eat this contaminated shellfish or mussel, they will get paralytic shellfish poisoning, or also known as PSP, a syndrome that people can develop if they eat seafood contaminated by a red tide. PSP can be life-threatening and often shows itself 2 hours of consumption. Consuming the toxic shellfish could lead to a paralytic shellfish poisoning, which affects the nervous system within 30 minutes after ingestion. This causes tingling of the lips and tongue, which spread to the face, neck, fingertips, and toes. It will also lead to headache, dizziness, and nausea. In severe cases, muscular paralysis and respiratory difficulty may occur within 5 to 12 hours. In non-lethal cases, this condition may appear over the course of a few days. In severe instances, people may encounter respiratory arrest in less than 24 hours. Philippines, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, and the National Red Tide Task Force is mandated to monitor toxic red tides in our country. This is to protect the public from the illness and death caused by the red tide toxic, and also to mitigate its negative impact to the shellfish industry. Regular issuance of red tide update is also being undertaken.